Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the power circuit. Here is a given problem. Problem number 1. Make a wiring diagram of 5 lamps in series circuit. Series circuit and mark each lamp 5 watts, 8 watts, 10 watts, 15 watts and 20 watts with a supply of 20 volts line to ground. Problem number 2, solve the total power. Problem number 3, solve the total current. Problem number 4, solve for the voltage drop in each lamp. Here is a draw diagram. Here is a supply of 220 volts. This is line 1 circuit breaker connected to switch, then the terminal switch connected to lamp number 5, connected to lamp number 4, in series connected to lamp 3, another line terminal connected to line 2, lamp 2, and the other is connected to lamp 3 and lamp 1. Another terminal is connected to the circuit breaker ground terminal. Solve the total power. Given is power. P1 is 5 watts, P2 is 8 watts, P3 is 10 watts, P4 is 15 watts and P5 is 20 watts. Solving. Total power is P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus P4 plus P5 is equal to 5 watts plus 8 watts plus 10 watts plus 15 watts plus 20 watts. The total power is equal to 58 watts. Here is a solve for the total current. Given is total voltage is 220 volts, total power is 58 watts, total current is equal to unknown. Formula for power is P is equal to voltage times current. Legend. P stands for power, ang units niya watts. Ang voltage symbol E is equal to voltage, ang units is volts. Current is I for current and units is amperes. Solve. Current is equal to power over voltage. Ang power natin is 58 watts. Yung voltage natin supply is 220 volts. Yung current is equal to 0.264 amperes. Solve for voltage drop. E1 is equal to P1 is equal to divide by 1 current 1 is equal to 5 over 0.2664 amperes is equal to 18.94 volts. Solve for voltage drop 2. P2 is divided by current 2, 8 watts divided by 0.64 amperes is equal to 30.3 volts. Voltage drop 3. P3 to over I3 is equal to 10 watts over 0.2664 amperes is equal to 38.88 volts. E4 is equal to power P4 divided by I4 is equal to 15 watts divided by 0.264 amperes is equal to 56.82 volts. Yung voltage drop 5 is equal to P5 divided by I5 is equal to 20 watts divided by 0.264 amperes is equal to 75.76 volts.